from the mud, but I never sank. Walking through the favela with God's hand on my rank. Heart is honored, mind stays sharp. Watch a young ones dream of running the block. Listening to elders talk in the square. Be smart but never play unfair. The streets will teach, but the price is steep. Slip once and you're buried deep. Flashing blue light shining down the alley, but we stand strong. This is roots of a favela, from the ghetto to the top, on the mic or the screen. My ride is my shield, my art is my dream. Roots of the favela, warrior blood. Look at us now, we're real, no front. Climbing the hills, carrying the weight, but never forget to honor the place. Young ones dreaming of playing the game, or rapping their story, escaping the pain. Mothers in prayer, tears in their eyes, begging the Lord to keep hope alive. The streets will tempt, sweet as sin, promise the world and pull you in. So many gone, I'll walk for them, writing their names on the walls again. Flashing blue lights shining down the alley, but we stand strong. This is roots of the favela, from the ghetto to the top, on the mic or the screen. My rhyme is my shield, my heart is my dream. Roots of the favela, warrior blood. Look at us now, we're real, no front. Climbing the hills, carrying the weight, but never forget to honor the place. I know life is hard, but we still fight. If favela don't cry, if favela ignites, we stand together, no fear, no doubt. If one of us falls, we help them out. Roots of the favela, warrior blood. Look at us now, we're real, no front. Climbing the hills, carrying